Hello student. Then now question number 3. A body cools from 80 to 50 degrees Celsius, time limit 30 and surrounding temperature room temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Solution. Assume temperature of a body theta. Let theta be the temperature of a body at time t minute. Okay, therefore room temperature is given to be 25 degrees Celsius. So therefore, according to Newton's law of cooling, already in physics, we get rate of change of temperature at time t is proportional to temperature of a body and surrounding temperature theta 0 or directly 25, means difference between. So therefore d theta by dt is equal to minus k theta minus 25, where k is greater than 0 and negative sign indicate that टेम्परेचर डिक्रीजेस. ओके, यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर जो है वो कम हो रहा है, डिक्रीज होता है 80, 70, 60, 50. सो देन एंड डी थीटा अपॉन थीटा माइनस 25 इज इक्वल टू माइनस के dt, वेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म, एंड देन आफ्टर इंटीग्रेटिंग ऑन बोथ साइड. जेव्हा व्हेरिएबल सेपरेट होईल त्यानंतर आपल्याला इंटिग्रल यूज करायचं. सो इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ 1 अपॉन थीटा माइनस 25 डी थीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस के dt. सो देयरफॉर लॉग ऑफ थीटा माइनस 25 इज इक्वल टू माइनस के t प्लस c. Taking log on both sides, theta minus 25 is equal to e to the power minus kt plus c. ठीक. So therefore, theta is equal to 25 plus e to the power minus kt into e to the power c. This are the power can be added. So therefore, theta is equal to 25 plus a e to the power minus kt, where a is equal to e to the power c. Equation number 1. ठीक है. So therefore, theta is equal to 25 surrounding temperature. Theta is the temperature of a body, and e to the power kt t is temperature. So now इनिशियली शुरुआत में जो बॉडी का टेम्परेचर वो 80 डिग्री सेल्सियस है. थीटा इज इक्वल टू 80 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड टाइम इनिशियली, मतलब इनिशियली टाइम होगा 0 मिनट. सो इक्वेशन 1 becomes थीटा 80 इज इक्वल टू 25 प्लस a into e to the power 0. So therefore 80 minus 25 is equal to a. So value of a is equal to 55. Okay. So put a is equal to 55 in equation 1. Equation 1 में वो वैल्यू रख देते हैं. So therefore equation 1 theta is equal to 25 plus a 55 e to the power minus kt, equation number 6. Okay, then after 80 to 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर जो कम हुआ है, कितना समय है 30 मिनट. सो नाउ गिवन, पहले इनिशियली अब गिवन लेते हैं. क्या है गिवन? तो टेम्परेचर ऑफ ए बॉडी कूल्स फ्रॉम, यानी वो टेम्परेचर उसका कम हो गया विदिन a 30 minute. So now equation 2 becomes equation second, 50 degree Celsius temperature of a body is equal to 25 plus 55 e to the power minus kt, t is equal to 30. So therefore 50 minus 25 is equal to 55 e to the power minus 30k. So 25 is equal to 55 e to the power minus 30k. So therefore e to the power minus 30k, 25 upon 55, therefore 30k is equal to 5 upon 11. इक्वेशन नंबर 3. ओके, इनिशियल गिवन. अब फाइंड करना है कि टेम्परेचर ऑफ ए बॉडी आफ्टर 1 आवर. सो व्हेन टेम्परेचर फाइंड करना है आफ्टर 1 आवर मींस इज इक्वल टू 60 मिनट्स. सो देन थीटा इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? थीटा फाइंड करना है. नाउ यूजिंग इक्वेशन नंबर 2 becomes again थीटा is equal to 25 plus 55 e to the power minus kt, t is equal to 1 hour. बट पहले जो क्वांटिटी मिनट में यूज किए थे, सो हियर 60k. So therefore theta is equal to 25 plus 55 e to the power minus 30 into 2 means 30 square. From equation 3, theta is equal to 25 plus 55, 5 upon 11 square. 5 upon 11 square, 5 square. Therefore theta is equal to 25 plus 55 into 25 upon 121, 11 5s are 11 into 11, theta is equal to 25 plus 125, 11. So therefore theta is equal to 11 into 5, 55 2s are means 275 plus 125 upon 11. So therefore theta is equal to 400 upon 11. Therefore theta is equal to 3s are 33, 7, 66.36 degrees Celsius. So therefore temperature of a body after 1 hour is 36.36. So therefore the temperature of a body after 1 hour is 36.36 degree Celsius. ओके, यानी 80 से 50 तक आने में अगर आधा घंटा लगता है तो 1 घंटे में 80 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 36.36 डिग्री सेल्सियस आपको टेम्परेचर. ओके, सो कंप्लीट. Then now question. The rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to the number present. If initially there were 1000 bacteria and the doubles in 1 hour and the number of bacteria after 1.5 hours. म्हणजे सुरुवातीला जर 1000 बॅक्टेरिया असेल तर तो एका तासामध्ये डबल होत आहे आणि आपल्याला फाइंड करायचं आहे की 2.5 तासामध्ये ते नंबर ऑफ बॅक्टेरिया किती असेल आपल्याला फाइंड करायचं आहे. सो रेट ऑफ ग्रोथ ऑफ बॅक्टेरिया, let x be the number of bacteria at time t hours. यूज केला आपण hours. dx by dt be the rate of change of bacteria, growth of bacteria. So therefore, according to given condition, ठीक है, according to given condition, growth of bacteria is proportional to the number present. So therefore, dx by dt is directly proportional to the number of bacteria present initially. So therefore, dx by dt is equal to k, where k is constant of proportionality and k is always positive. So therefore, dx upon x divided by x is equal to k dt. Then after variable separable, integrating on both sides, we क्या होगा इंटीग्रल, तो 1 upon x dx is equal to k, where k is constant. So therefore, log x is equal to k t plus c, and taking antilog, x is equal to e to the power kt plus c. So therefore, x is equal to e to the power kt into e to the power c. This same power can be added. So therefore, x is equal to a into e to the power kt. Equation 1, where a is equal to e to the power c. Okay, अब ये हो गया यहाँ तक से. Now given initially there were 1000 bacteria. Initially शुरुआत नंबर ऑफ बैक्टीरिया 1000. अब इनिशियली है, शुरुआत है, मींस टाइम t is equal to 0 hours. Equation 1 becomes 1000 is equal to a e to the power kt. 0 means value of a is equal to 1000 e to the power 0 1 1 into a. Put a is equal to 1000 in equation 1. Equation 1, therefore x is equal to 1000 into e to the power kt. Equation number 2. ओके, अब गिवन क्या है, देखो शुरुआत में 1000 बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट एंड डबल्स इन 1 आवर. डबल्स इन 1 आवर मीन्स 1 घंटे के बाद बैक्टीरिया डबल मीन्स 2 into 1000. So equation 2 becomes x is equal to 2000 1000 e to the power kt. T is equal to 1. So therefore e to the power k is equal to 2000 upon 1000. So therefore e to the power k is equal to 2. Equation number 3. ठीक है, इनिशियल गिवन. अब देखिए फाइंड क्या करना है, नंबर ऑफ बैक्टीरिया. नंबर ऑफ बैक्टीरिया मींस फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x in time limit 2.5 hours. So when t is equal to 2.5 hours, that is 5/2 hours, 2.5 घंटा, 30 तास. Then number of bacteria find. So again equation 2 becomes equation 2x 1000 e to the power kt, x is equal to 1000 into e to the power kt 5/2k. So therefore x is equal to 1000 into e to the power k to the power 5/2. X is equal to 1000 e to the power k to the power 5/2 from equation 3. From equation number 3. So therefore x is equal to 1000. 2 to the power 5/2, 5/2 means 2.5. So therefore x is equal to 10 into 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 1/2 means 1000 into 4 into under root 2. ऑलरेडी आप लोगों को पता ही होती है वैल्यू, नहीं तो गिवन वैल्यू है अंडर रूट 2 इज इक्वल टू 1.414. सो इज इक्वल टू 1000 into 4 into 1414. So is equal to 2856. So 1000 into 4 4s are 6, 5, 6, 5. Okay. So therefore x is equal to 5656. So therefore the number of bacteria after 2.5 hours, the number of bacteria after 2.5 hours will be 5656. Okay.